Look, I find some of what you teach suspect, because I'm used to relying on intellect. But I try to open up to what I don't know, because reason says I should have died 3 years ago. There's only us, there's only this. Forget, regret, or life is yours to miss. No